stuff.
Yes.
All right, guys, if you've got a baby shower to go to, we have found some fun products for the new mom and baby in your life. A little producer pick for you. Denise put all of these items together. You know, she's a new mommy.
Yes.
You're a new mommy, too. Well, not a new mommy, but you at least have a baby.
I have a 2-year-old. I'm right in the middle of the terrible
old people around my house.
Don't. You've got teenagers.
So it's all good. So we're going to start with some cool products, and let's start over there, Claudia.
So we're gonna break it down for the new mommies who are breastfeeding, and you know when that baby's hungry, that baby is hungry.
Yep.
So a lot of women, or most women, do protect that breast milk. Like, okay, this is gold. This is gold. These things here called Milkies, they will save every drop. They're practically milk savers. So this is perfect for the new moms. They also offer a complete breastfeeding support line, and this is really the best way to freeze your breast milk and fresh baby food as well.
Very cool.
Milkies is perfect. That's a very good invention.
They come up with a lot of new stuff.
Well, that's perfect.
All the time. I know, it is pretty cool. All right, National Hat Day is happening on January 15th, and there's a company called George Hats. What they do is make hats for parents and kids that match. How cool is that? So we've got like this little one for the kiddo, right?
I love anything that matches is awesome.
Mom or dad can have like a kind of matching hat, and then y'all can be real cute together.
Kind of like in the same color
and take like family photos.
Yes, super cute.
And I think you're the cool family if you have this hat.
That's cool. It's got cool patterns.
Yeah, it doesn't really fit my big head. I'm gonna work on that.
But
that is George Hats. You can find these at georgehats.com.
I love that.
There you go.
Okay, and what baby is not going to be messy? It's just part of being a baby. Well, these bibs can protect your kid from food, drinks, and paints, and whatever other mess they can get on themselves. This is called the Bee Apron Baby.
Cool.
It's perfect. It's also, the fabric is an eco-friendly polyester. It's also total waterproof, which is what you want when it comes to those kiddos and all the yucky stuff they get on their hands.
Like that. Okay, well, speaking of hands, you know babies put everything in their mouths, right?
Yes.
So what if you could put something on their hand and strap it to their hand, and so then when they put it in their mouth, it's crunchy, it makes noise, and it's not their hand. It's the Munch Mitt, my friends.
Okay, another great invention that I should have thought of.
It makes noise. It has a little Velcro on the back, so you can strap it to their hand, and so when baby's like in the car seat or doing nothing, and they're just like putting everything in their mouth, they're like this. They're like,
that's perfect.
I know, that's a great idea. This is munchmitt with 2T's.com.
I love that. All right, I want to introduce you to soap socks. Here's something really cool for all babies to have. Soap socks to have a good time while they are in. It can go from playtime to bath time. So they have little plush friends the kids can take. You could play with them outside, or you could take them inside the bathtub. I don't know about your babies, but mine loved bathies. But you have to have her bath toys.
Yes, you have to have toys in the bath.
Okay, cute. That is cute. And they're super soft. Look.
Oh,
it's
so
perfect.
So cute.
It's got like a sponge inside.
All right, we still use foam in my house, except for probably something different. Addie puts it in slime when she makes slime.
She's still into the slime.
Play foam is everything. It's super squishy, squashy, and even big kids like Rhonda, our floor director, play with it. She whittled it into an NBC Peacock this morning. But this is so much fun. You can use it for motor skills. It's pretty cool. And again, it's called Play Foam.
All right, and if you want to, something happened to my throat.
Do you need me to talk about the microscope?
I'm good. And let your little ones have some fun with science for the moms who love to get educational. So this is very kid-friendly, but it also talks about nature. You could actually, this is the only talking microscope for preschoolers. It also has it talks, photo quality images. Listen.
Oh, I see a fly in there.
It's like the introduction to the world of animals for kiddos.
Very cool.
That's actually very cool.
Guys, if you want to know more about these great products that we talked about today, just hit up the website. It is news4sa.com for more. Still to come, we're going to head back into the kitchen. Tangi has got some great and healthy food and wine finds. We'll be right back.